In this video, I'm about to show you how to integrate ChatGPT into Zapier. First, navigate to the Zapier official website on your browser. Once logged in, click the Create button and select Zaps from the drop-down. Next, you can get help for automation and enter the text. For instance, I type Integrate ChatGPT into Zapier. It'll display a detailed reply on the left sidebar. Then, there are 3 ChatGPT's options, and select the one for conversation. To continue, click the Open Step button. A list of top apps will appear, then search for Google Sheets and click on it. The Google Sheets app will be added to your starting event. On the right side, click the event field and select your event. After selecting your event, click the account field. This will take a few seconds to connect your accounts. After that, choose your Google account and click Continue. Continue to the next step and select your drive in the Drive field. Now, enter the details in all the requires field to complete the step. Your Zap is now ready to send prompts to ChatGPT and receive responses automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.